Alright, here's 90% done, I'm gonna say. All new lights, all new axles, all new bearings, tie rod ends, tires, brand new tank. Look at that thing. Shine. Reflection. New seat cover. Cleaned up the rear plastics a little bit. Still got mud flap put on here. Rear tires. Did some custom paint. Get the other side. Again, new tires. These things are beautiful. Haven't even tried them out yet. 0 miles. Look at that reflection. Still gotta hook up a few more things. Again, mud flaps on the back. I got the rack. Cleaning that. Touching that up. I think it's going to be a pretty good machine when I'm done here. Look at that. That tank is so beautiful. There it is so far. What do you think? Let me know.